Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about one more concept of binomial theorem. Now let us start the class. If 1 plus x square whole power of n equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus up to so on a2n x power of 2n, then a0 plus a2 plus a4 up to so on a2n equals to how much? Option is also given here: 3 power of n. Second option is 3 power of n plus 1 by 2. Third option is 3 power of n minus 1 by 2. Fourth option is 3 power of n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so these are the given options here. So first of all, given expansion is nothing but 1 plus x square whole power of n is there. That equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus up to so on a2n x power of 2n. So this is the given expansion. I will write here: 1 plus x square whole power of n, a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dash dash a2n x power of 2n. Okay, so see here a0 plus a2 plus a4 up to so on a2n. These are the coefficients here, coefficients of this expansion. Okay, so observe the coefficients here: a0, a2, a4, a0, a2, a4, like that here, but not given total coefficients here. Okay, so see here, let us take, put x equals to 1, then what we get here? We get here 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole power of n, that is nothing but a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus up to so on a2n we get here. Put x equals to 1. So in place of x we substitute here 1, 1, 1. So a0, a1 into 1, that is nothing but a1, a2 into 1 square, again a2 we get here, up to so on a2n into 1 power of 2n, that is also a2n we get here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 3 power of n we get here. So a0, a1, a2 up to so on a2n. Okay, so we got here the sum of all the coefficients of given expansion, that is 3 power of n. Okay, so a0 plus a1, a2 up to so on a2n equals 3 power of n. So here only a0, a2, a4, but here given option also there, that is nothing but 3 power of n. This is not option. Okay, so observe this one. Remaining 3 options are 3 power of n plus 1 by 2, 3 power of n minus 1 by 2, 3 power of n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so this case we have to take here. See here, so given expansion taken as f of x, clear? So we are adding, so we are substituting f of 1, that is nothing but what we get here. F of 1 is nothing but this one. Put x equals to 1, that is f of 1. Put x equals to minus 1, then what we get here? We get here f of minus 1. So we are adding that two expansions here. Put x equals to minus 1, what we get here? 1 minus 1 whole square is nothing but plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is nothing but, here we get here, put x equals to minus 1. So you remember this value. Okay, now put x equals to minus 1. Then what we get here? 1 minus 1 whole square is nothing but plus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So remaining we get here 1 power of n is nothing but 1. So 1 we get here. Okay, so then after we substitute here minus 1 here, a0 as it is. So a1 into minus 1 is nothing but minus a1. Okay, next plus a2 into minus 1 whole square is nothing but, minus 1 whole square is nothing but plus 1. So plus a2 we get here. So minus a3, like that here. So 2n is there, so this is even number, that's why we get here a2n plus a2n we get here. So when we are adding these two cases here, f of 1 and f of minus 1. So this is f of 1, this is f of minus 1. So what we get here, when we are adding these two cases here, these are cancelled, these are cancels. So remaining we get here a0, a2 up to so on, a0, a2 up to so on. So we are adding these two cases. What we get here? 2 into a0, like that here. 2 into a0, 2 into a2, 2 into so a to n. So that is nothing but we get here 2 of a0, a2, 2 into a0, a2, a4 up to so on, a to n. We get here. In RHS side. LHS what we get here? We are adding this one 3 power of n plus 1. 3 power of n plus 1. Okay. So now we get here a0 plus a2 plus a4 up to so on a to n is equals 3 power of n plus 1 by 2. So we get this one. Okay. a0 plus a2 plus a4 up to so on a to n is equals to, we got here 3 power of n plus 1 by 2. So that is nothing but second option is the right answer. Okay. So see here in this cases here, so directly how to find out this value without doing total values. Okay, how to find out? Easily. See here directly in this type of questions, you remember this one. Okay, now this type of questions here, f of given expansion taken as f of x, so that is nothing but 1 plus x square whole power of n, a0 plus a1 x plus a2 x square plus up to so on a to n x power of 2n. So this is the given expansion. Now we take a f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2, f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. So for even coefficients, for the finding of even coefficients, we take this one f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. Okay, f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2 is nothing but for the finding of even coefficients. So we take here f of 1, what we get here? F of 1 value, f of 1 value is nothing but 3 power of n we get here. Okay, f of minus 1 is nothing but a0 minus a1x plus a2x square up to so on. Okay, so directly we get it. F of 1 is nothing but this one. What we get here? F of 1. F of 1 value, substitute here. So don't take this one. Okay, substitute here. F of 1 is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole power of n. That is nothing but 3 power of n. F of minus 1. 1 minus 1 plus of minus 1 whole square. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. We get here 1 power of n is nothing but 1. Divided by 2. So that is the direct answer. Second option. For the finding of even quotients. Okay, suppose here odd coefficients also given here. So what we take here? Odd coefficients here. See here, now we take a1 plus a3 plus a5 plus up to so on a2n minus 1. So these are odd coefficients. Okay, now f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. F of 1 minus f of 1 minus 1 by 2. So f of 1, what is f of 1? Again we get a 3 power of 1. 3 power of n. F of minus 1, 1 minus 1 plus of minus 1 whole square, that is nothing but 1 power of n. But here minus 1 power of n is nothing but 1 by 2. So sum of odd coefficients here. So these are even coefficients a0, a2, see x square a2, x power of 2n, a to n. These are odd coefficients here, a1, a3, a5 up to so on a to n minus 1. For odd coefficients we take here f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2, that is 3 power of n minus 1 by 2. So this is nothing but answers. Third option is the right answer. 3 power of n minus 1 by 2, that is a1 plus a3 plus a5 up to so on a to n minus 1. So this is for only odd coefficients. This is even coefficients. Yes, second one is the right answer. Next question. If 1 plus x square plus x cube whole power of 7, that equals to b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus up to so on b21 x power of 21. Then b1 plus b3 plus b5 up to so on b21. So this is nothing but odd coefficients are given here. Okay, so we find out here, suppose given expansion taken as f of x. Now put x equals to 1, that is nothing but the sum of all coefficients we get here. Sum of all coefficients. Before finding this one, we find out here the sum of all coefficients. Sum of all coefficients. Sum of all coefficients, we take here f of 1. That equals to what we get here? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole power of 7. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 4 power of 7. Sum of all coefficients, this is. Sum of all the coefficients. Okay. So 4 power of 7. Now see a given value b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus up to so on b21 x power of 21. In this case, these are even coefficients, b1, b2 up to so on b20. Remaining these are b1, b21. These are odd coefficients. For the finding of odd coefficients, directly how to write here? F of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. F of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. So f of 1, what we get here? F of 1 is nothing but this is 4 power of 7. Okay. Next, minus f of minus 1. F of minus 1 is nothing but 1 minus 1. Both are cancelled. So minus 1 whole square is nothing but plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is nothing but 1. Okay. So minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, both are cancelled. So we get it 0. Divided by 2 we get it. Divided by 2. Okay. So how to write here? 4 power of 7 is nothing but 2 power of 14. Clear? So why? Because all answers are given in 2 powers. 2 powers lo ichu kabatti we can change into 2 powers. 2 square whole power of 7, that is nothing but 2 power of 14 divided by 2 we get here. So 2 gets cancelled, we get here 13. So 2 power of 13 we get here. So this is the answer. That is nothing but third option is the right answer. Okay. Suppose we get here, we find out the value of even terms, even coefficients here. Okay. So what we get here? We get here plus, even, plus, again we get this one, 2 power of 13. Again answer is also same. Why? Because here we get here f of minus 1 value is nothing but 0. Okay. So even terms, odd terms, both are same values we get here. The sum of all coefficients, suppose find out the sum of all coefficients directly f of 1. And substitute x equals to 1, we get here. In this case we get here, which value we got here? That is the answer. Sum of the all coefficients. Sum of even power coefficients. Okay. Sum of even powers, that is nothing but f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. Sum of odd powers, f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. This is the form actually. Okay. So observe this one. This is even powers or odd powers finding. Here 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 21. So that is nothing but odd powers. That's why we take here minus. So 0, b0 plus b2 plus up to so on b20. So that values are even powers. Okay. So b0, b2, b4 up to so on. Even powers. Sum of even powers is nothing but f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. Sum of odd powers b1, b3, b5, b21 like this here. b1, b3 up to so on b21. These are sum of odd coefficients, odd powers, that is nothing but f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. So this is the actual formula. Okay.